welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly next level, a platform that can take your raw idea and turn it into real, factory-verified hardware. This is Yumi AI, an advanced AI system built for creators, builders, and innovators who want to design faster, smarter, and far more efficiently. Whether you're imagining a new gadget, planning a custom product, or just exploring what's possible with modern AI, Yumi AI gives you the tools to bring your vision to life from start to finish. No complicated steps, no guesswork, just clean, intelligent design powered by cutting-edge technology. So get ready, because today I'm going to show you exactly how Yumi AI works, and how it can turn your imagination into something real. First, click the Login button in the top right corner of the page. After logging in, you'll land on the main Yumi AI workspace. Here at the top, you'll see a large input box, where you can ask Yumi AI anything, from designing a PCB to generating a full hardware concept. Below the chat box, Yumi AI gives you 4 powerful starting points for your project. First is demand analysis. This helps you understand the market, competitors, and business environment for your idea. Next is function definition. Here, Yumi AI helps you clearly define the features and functions your product should have. Then, you have solution selection. This option helps you pick the most cost-effective and efficient components for your design. And finally, PCB schematic. This lets Yumi AI generate the actual circuit diagram for your hardware based on your requirements. These 4 tools make the entire hardware building process simple and guided, even if you're a beginner. Next, I typed my full prompt into the search bar. Here, I asked Yumi AI to design a low-cost mini Bluetooth speaker under $5, with clear audio, a rechargeable battery, USB charging support, safety protections, and LED indicators. And now, Yumi AI will generate the entire design for this product automatically. As soon as I hit enter, Yumi AI instantly started processing my request. You can see here it's creating a full engineering workflow, including planning, components, and even visual diagrams. Everything is generated automatically, step by step, based on the prompt I gave. This is where Yumi AI really shows its power. It doesn't just give text answers, it builds an entire hardware design structure for you. Now you can see that Yumi AI has broken my project into multiple intelligent agents. The first one is the plan agent, which creates a complete design plan for the Bluetooth speaker, including cost limits, component choices, and step-by-step execution. Next is the function splitting agent. This agent breaks the entire product into smaller subsystems like audio processing, power management, Bluetooth communication, battery safety, and LED indicators. Below that, the file execute agent starts analyzing requirements and generating the technical files needed for the final design. Each of these agents works together automatically, building the full engineering workflow without me doing anything manually. On the left side, Yumi AI automatically generates a complete written breakdown of the project. Here, it explains the full research plan, including cost analysis, component selection, safety features, battery management, and performance details. It also shows step-by-step instructions, market research, and technical considerations for the mini Bluetooth speaker. Basically, everything you need to understand the project from idea to execution is clearly written here. After scrolling down, Yumi AI shows one of its most powerful features, the deliverables list. Here, you can see that the AI has automatically created multiple project files for me. This includes a complete market research report, component pricing research, function splitting documents, and even the final deliverable package. Each file contains detailed technical information, cost breakdowns, supplier analysis, and step-by-step instructions for building the Bluetooth speaker. And the best part, you can download any of these files with just a single click and use them for prototyping or real production. Now when I open any of these files, Yumi AI shows fully generated professional-level documentation. For example, this report includes complete market insights, component comparisons, pricing research, and technical requirements, all written automatically by the AI. It breaks down everything from Bluetooth modules and amplifier options to battery safety, production cost estimates, and supplier availability. Honestly, creating this kind of detailed documentation manually would take hours, but Yumi AI generates it in seconds. These files are extremely helpful if you're planning to build a prototype, pitch your idea to investors, or move toward real manufacturing. Here, I'm walking through the circuit schematic that was generated for this project. This view shows the detailed layout and connections between the main components used in the Bluetooth speaker design. You can clearly see the power section, the amplifier module, and the supporting components arranged across the schematic. As I move across the layout, each node, symbol, and connection represents how the signal flows through the system. The schematic also includes the automatic labeling and the document frame, showing the version and the title of the generated PCB schematic. This entire diagram gives a structured overview of how the electronic design is organized, making it easier to understand the function of each part within the overall circuit. And that's how easily you can turn a simple idea into a complete, factory-ready hardware design using Yumi AI. From planning and research to schematics and final documentation, everything is generated automatically. I've added the official link in the description, so feel free to check it out and explore the tool yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful AI tools and tutorials. Drop your questions or project ideas in the comments, and I'll cover them in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.